Bali Trip 2022 Part 2.
Hello everyone, Ubud here. This is our second day still after the strawberry farm. Papa went for ATV ride. Yeah, I'm scared of ATV ride because so muddy everywhere. Mud everywhere. I'm scared. Hey, look at Papa go. Woo-hoo. Woohoo! Looks fun. I wish I could join. I don't want to get muddy and dirty all over my fur. Hey, I got fur or feathers. Alright, that's enough of ATV, Papa. Time to go back. Zara and Mama is waiting in the bus, all hungry. Alright, see you in a bit. Cats, everywhere cats. Here cat, there cat, everywhere cats. This cafe cat is amazing. I love cats. Meow. Good evening everybody. This is the end of day 2 and we are back in our villa. Please enjoy the night view of our villa Senja at night. Welcome to day 3 of Bali, everybody. Hello, good morning. Mine is Tweedwood. What's your name? Mama, okay. Going to an island. We buy a boat. Later we going up the boat. How are you feeling, boy? Ryan here for everybody. YouTuber, everybody. So YouTuber, everybody. Alright. So we're gonna take the boat and I'll see you in a bit. But wait first. Now let me check on Zara. Hello, Zara. Hello. Hello. I'm recording you guys. Can you say a few words?
Why are you always following us?
Can you say a few words?
Why are you always following us?
Well, he said that.
Because you keep slow.
I'm a cable hour anyway. So I'll see you in the boat, everybody. Bye. How do you do, everybody? We are on a boat ride to some island that we don't know what's the name of, but we will let you know later. We will update you. It's gonna be a shaky boat. It's gonna be a shaky boat, I tell you. Very shaky. Okay, let me ask, interview them. Mama, scared of boat ride, Mama. Scared of boat ride. Don't look down. Don't look down. Don't look down. Getting shaky now. Getting shaky now. Oh, we went to some amazing island, amazing view. No, I don't eat gummies. Thank you. I don't eat gummies. I eat worm, yeah. Is that worm, Mama? Is that worm? My favorite. Oh, I love worms. Okay, then I see it a bit. Ooh, it's getting wavier, Mama. I'm so scared. Oh God. there, Mama. Hello, having a relaxing time, I see. So we are at where we now? Alright, the name is called Penida Coca-Cola. Penida da Colada. Oh, awesome. You wanna win a free smoothie? Tag them on Instagram. That's what they say. Yeah, they said that. So, yeah. So, this is on the third day. We're in some island. I hope Zara is having fun. Let's go and see Zara. Where is she? There you go, Zara. Hello. Zara. Hello. Zara. What you doing? Zara. 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 Hello. Okay, there's Zara saying hello. Oh, she's having fun by the beach, playing with stones, coral stones. Baby coral stones. Not every time she play by the sea, by the beach. Alright, I think that's what this is the cafe that we are at. And that's where Mama is over there. Alright, I think that's about it on day 3. After this we're probably going back by ferry. That's our ferry over there. Yeah, there's our ferry over there. So we are going back to the Bali Island, and that's the end of day 3. Alright, thank you for watching for now. I'll see you next time again on the next day. Alright, oh look, Christmas tree. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Oh, a stage. Stage for me to perform. Alright, I'll see you a bit. Bye. Good evening. Well, as you can see here, it's a live grasshopper, everybody. This is my supper. I will eat this. Our favorite dish is grasshopper goreng. Yeah, as you can see, I'm gonna eat you. You know that. You scared of me now? You scared of me now? You scared of me now? I know you scared of me. Oh, look at the swimming pool at night. View nice. Anyway, this is the last night we'll be here, and we'll be staying one more night here, and we will not be coming back here anymore. No more grasshoppers and hornets, baby. Yeah. So bye bye. Our last night here. Yeah. Bye, Donnie. Bye, Ian.
Where's your other supper?
Oh, look. Look at the grasshopper. This is my snack. Later. Nice snack. Alright. Thank you for watching so far. And that's it for this villa. This beautiful villa. Very, very nice. Okay, bye.
End of part 2. Thanks for watching.